Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to use the MTA TrainTime application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. So in this application you can search for trips and you can purchase tickets for different means of transport, and you can just set the origin and the destination station, and you can find trips that you can either save or buy tickets for. You can search for stations, trains and cars, and you can check the status of the means of transport, and you can also set different functions here and find useful links. And of course in the support section you can have questions and send feedbacks. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.